Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need premium, a verified account, and some Robux in your wallet, so start there. Next, pick an item that is limited or trending. Limited items resell reliably. Once chosen, inspect recent sale prices and subtract the 30% marketplace fee to set a realistic listing price. Then list the item with a clear, competitive price and an accurate description. Make sure to enable sales and double-check that the item's trade/list settings allow resale before proceeding. Once listed, you focus on optimization. Monitor the item's price history across several days and identify peak buying windows. Weekends and evenings often bring more traffic. Make small, deliberate price changes to test demand and time-brief lists to refresh visibility. Promote the listing in relevant groups or trusted social channels without spamming. That increases buyer trust. Also explain why your price is fair in the description. Clarity reduces negotiation friction and speed. When a buyer purchases or accepts a trade, confirm the transaction and transfer the item promptly. Roblox processes many sales automatically, but stay alert to pending trade windows. After completion, reconcile your Robux, subtract marketplace fees, and log net profit for your records. If you plan to cash out, follow platform payout requirements. If something goes wrong, like a blocked transfer or account restriction, check trade settings and account limits first. Then contact support with screenshots and a clear timeline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.